Okay, a couple ideas that I took from chapters 1 and 2 of the Paraguay and Boyle book. First of all, get to know our students. Their educational background is important, so we know where to start. But really, what is going to help build rapport and create a really strong feeling of safety so students feel comfortable speaking up in class and having ideas and learning is learning about them as people, their histories, their frustrations, their aspirations, their customs at home, their home language, so that we can support, especially if they are an English language learner, and communication styles. From personal experience, it's interesting when we have students who don't look us right in the eye. It kind of feels uncomfortable maybe, but a lot of people, that's how they show respect. So these are just things to think about. I think the most important variables to both learning in general and to acquiring a new language is, again, that sense of belonging. So a couple ideas from the book: creating a home group or a buddy system that is heterogeneous, meaning mixed, not same race, but different races, different ethnicities, different languages, and that will help create a sense of community within the classroom, hopefully, and within the school. And having a what the book calls a low anxiety learning environment. I prefer positive terms like a calm, happy, and energetic learning environment, and I put these types of words in my syllabus. And when I have a classroom, I will definitely post a big poster of that on my classroom. Also, predictable routines. This is really important. Most of us are creatures of habit, and for students to have a routine, to know what's coming. Every week we do XYZ on certain days. It creates a sense of comfort. Also, scaffolding ideas and information, starting with basic ideas and building upon that every week. And that includes both the content and the skills that are being taught. And then also very, very strict classroom rules and expectations on behavior and attitude and effort. So for behavior and attitude, I mention ideas like no eye rolling or scoffing, and just being cordial and gentle and kind to each other. And the idea that I provide my students is that everyone has an invisible backpack. And sometimes those backpacks are really heavy and we don't know what's going on in other people's lives. And so it's important to just be gentle and kind to each other. And then as far as effort goes, I really push my students to try. Like you got to try. You got to try. And I'm here to support you and we'll work together. And all of this leads to the blocks softening so that students are more motivated to learn, and not just content, but language, etc. And that helps increase their self-confidence and self-esteem. And these are just really, really important things to help with learning.